So, as leaders making a big change in this industry, what do you think makes for great leadership? Because you're innovation, you've got innovation, you're making a change, we're doing something very different. So, what do you think makes great leadership today?
I think it's having uncommon sense.
Uncommon sense.
Uncommon sense,
Okay.
because those with common sense would have said this is not possible. It, so our uncommon sense says, we've seen this done in 3 or 4 other places in our careers, maybe not on this particular product or this particular market, but we've seen it done before. Why won't it be applicable here?